Here's 3 simple steps to follow to quit your job and start your own business. It's actually a lot easier than people think it is. Now I get it, a lot of times people feel stuck at their job. You probably feel like that. You feel like, how do I even have time to start my own business? Maybe you've been hearing about all these different business models online, from affiliate marketing, the drop shipping. Maybe I become a remote closer. Maybe I do this, maybe I do that. And you're thinking, what do I do? Where do I start? And also, which one is the right choice for me? You're probably even scrolling around on TikTok and on YouTube, and you see people with all kinds of income flying all over the place, and you're probably feeling FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Well, in this video, again, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps you can take to safely quit your job and start your own business. Safely being the key word. You don't want to just quit your job and now you have nothing to fall back on. I'm going to walk you through it in this video. But before that, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, step number 1. Step number 1 is that you have to find a business model, regardless of what business it is, online, brick and mortar, doesn't matter. You have to find a business model that you can fit into your daily lifestyle. Let me explain what I mean. Since you're at your 9 to 5, chances are you might even work more than 9 to 5, right? You might work more than 8 hours. 10 hours, 12 hours sometimes. And maybe you even work the dreaded overtime and feel like, man, I'm making nothing. I'm all the way up in the next tax bracket and they're taking more of my income, so I feel like I'm getting nowhere. But mainly, every time you sit down, you scroll here on YouTube, you watch a video like this, you're thinking, oh my God, all these different business models out there, there's all this other stuff I can start, but I feel like I have no time at all. How do I actually get started? So let's look really quickly at different business models out there and decide which one might be the best one. Because honestly, you have to find the one that takes the least amount of time to get started actually bringing in income. First and foremost, let's go to drop shipping. It's not that drop shipping is not legit or no good or anything like that. It's gonna take you a massive amount of researching the product, figuring out where to source your products, how to position your store, how to market your store, learning Facebook ads and all this other technical stuff. It's gonna take a really long time to get up and running. And chances are, even when you do get up and running, those products are usually so cheap, there's such a small margin of error, there's such a low profit margin that you're gonna barely break even or even lose money. But all of that aside, it's just the amount of research, the amount of figuring out how to build it, how to do everything. It's going to take way too much time to get started. An Amazon store is a close cousin to dropshipping. It's going to be the same thing. You have to take so much time figuring out the ins and outs of this Amazon store stuff. And now you have big gurus saying they'll build the store for you, but that's just ridiculous. Let's be honest. If they build a profitable store for you, I mean, why don't they just build profitable stores for themselves? It just seems really, really weird. And even then, let's say they even do build a store for you, it's still going to take a whole lot of your time processing orders, fulfilling, customer service, credit card processing, all this other stuff. There's so much that goes along with running an Amazon business online. It's ridiculous, okay? So that one is probably out. And then you have stuff that's just starting to crop up, like remote closing. I'm a fan of remote closing. I think it's okay. However, it is a job. It's not really a business. Necessarily, you would really just be trading one job for another. Yes, you would be working from home, but oftentimes every remote closer that I know is working more hours than they used to. So yes, you're home, but you feel like you're locked into a desk and you're just answering calls all day and remote closing, and you're making okay income, but you never really get to enjoy it. So if your entire goal is to leave your job, not because you necessarily need to make more money, but because you want more free time, then remote closing is probably out too. So what's the answer? But before I give you the answer, I'm gonna give you the answer. Before I give you the answer, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, that like button underneath this video to give me a little bit of feedback saying, hey, you like this kind of content, and also to tell YouTube to send this out to more people. I love telling YouTube that. You gotta tell YouTube or they won't do it, okay? Hit the thumbs up button. Now that being said, the only rational option here is affiliate marketing. I hate to tell you that. I know I sound like a broken record. If you're not new to this channel, I say affiliate marketing all the time, but hear me out. There's a reason for that. I'm extremely biased when it comes to affiliate marketing, not just because I built my first 6-figure business as an affiliate, but also because it's absolutely perfect for the average working, very busy person, okay? Think about it like this. There is no processing orders or credit cards or shipping or any fulfillment stuff that you have to do, any customer service stuff you have to do. Literally none of that. You never deal with customers. And best of all, when you properly build it absolutely right the way it's supposed to be, which is an online digital asset. Say you have these sales funnels, these websites, these things set up properly with the right kinds of techniques and marketing and everything else with the right traffic source, you can set it up and literally damn near forget it, okay? We're talking working 2 to 4 hours a week, and your income is not capped, okay? Your income is literally capped just by the amount of money you spend in ads and the amount of return you're getting back. If you can put in $1 of ad spend and get back $2 or $3, who's gonna stop that campaign, okay? Who's gonna stop running that? So when it's set up properly and it's able to scale, that is the kind of passive income we're looking for. It's not completely passive. You still have to check in your campaigns, make sure everything's running right, but you can literally set up this asset, this digital real estate online. And that is the kind of business that you need in this day and age, okay? If you've ever read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he's a big fan of, and I'm a big fan of, transitioning from the employee state all the way into the self-employed state and then over into a business owner. You know about the cash flow quadrants, and you know that a business owner is not someone who spends their time in the business. They use the business as leverage for cash flow. And an affiliate marketing business where all it is setting up assets online, setting up digital real estate, sales funnels, which are just a fancy word for little websites. If they're set up properly and you're running traffic through these websites, they become digital assets that cash flow for you even while you sleep. That's the goal, okay? That's how you set up passive income, mostly passive income. There's no such thing as completely hands-off, but mostly hands-off, and you can go off and spend your free time with your family and make money in your sleep. That's awesome, okay? I've been doing this for 4 years, and now I coach people personally, right? But I still have an affiliate marketing business side of things where I still promote things as an affiliate. I still make thousands of dollars a month as an affiliate, and I don't even actively promote that stuff anymore. I have assets set up all over the internet where it's still getting traffic, still getting sales, still getting commissions, and I could legit just stop right now and I'd probably be good for about 6 months, a year, 2 years, okay? But I don't want to because I love helping you guys. I love making these videos. I'm a video guy. I like being on video. But anyway, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is simple. Now that you've decided to go with an affiliate marketing business, because honestly, it is absolutely by far the best way to leverage your time. You're too busy to build all these big businesses from scratch. The next thing is to completely avoid buying a course, because that doesn't solve the problem. Okay, if you're buying a course, you still need to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, and you just don't have the time to do that. Instead, what I've come up with is I've come up with a system called the affiliate franchise, which you can click the link down below in the description, and we build that business for you. And I don't mean the entire business. It's not completely hands-off. We're not going to do everything from beginning to end, but we will build the infrastructure of that business. It holds so many people back. Your sales funnels, your email campaigns, what to put in your copy, how to set up your pages, where to get your traffic from, how to do this, how to do that. And we'll give you an instruction manual to run this business, and it takes you an hour or less per day. Anybody who's super busy can run an affiliate marketing business with our help. So step 2 is to leverage a team to go out and build this business for you so that you can start right away, right from the first week or so, already running traffic, already focusing on making money with affiliate marketing instead of spending months and months trying to build it up yourself. Number 3, last but not least, is you absolutely positively need a mentor. You need a coach. You need myself or someone on my staff who are super highly trained, and a lot of them are 6-figure affiliates themselves. They can walk you through this and guide you through this week after week, all the time, giving you homework, giving you feedback, walking you through it, making sure that you're running things properly, things are running properly, making money, all that good stuff, okay? A course just can't do that. If you're trying to figure things out on your own on YouTube, that's going to get overwhelming. You don't know what information is right, what information is wrong. And if you buy a course, it's going to be 10 times worse because you spent all this money and there's nobody there to guide you. I promise you, I've bought every course on the planet. There is no guidance at these courses. They're great for scale. The company that made the course, the guru that made the course, they can scale that thing to the moon because you can sell information until you're blue in the face. But what you can't do is you can't spend personal time with your clients, the people that have paid to enter your program. Sit down with them over Zoom calls, walking them through it, click by click, step by step. Anytime you're lost, anytime you're confused, we're walking you through it. There's never a time where you're lost, where you're stuck, where you feel frustrated, where you feel overwhelmed. You get on a call with us, we get you unstuck, and we keep you moving forward. That's why we've had the kind of success that we've seen so far in the affiliate franchises, because we give that personal touch. Now, if you want to learn more about how to start an affiliate marketing business with us right behind you as your team, supporting you all the way along the way, click the link down below in the description, find out more about how it all works, and book a call with our team. And watch this video right here for more Make Money Online tips. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.